Starting in the mabl trainer in a new test, creating data-driven variables starts in the variables icon at the bottom of the trainer. Click on Manage to display all data-driven variables and their default values. Click Add Variable to insert new names and default values for your variables. Next, we'll save and run this test and return to the mabl app to generate a data table from our data-driven variables. On the test details page, click on the Generate Data Table button, give a name to the data table, and add a scenario name. Then click Save, and you're all done. To create a new data table, click on the Configurations tab on the left menu bar, and then click Data Tables. You can either upload an existing CSV file or create a new data table from scratch. To create a new data table from scratch, click on the Create Data Table button. Fill in the values with as many rows and columns as you'd like by clicking the Add Scenario or Add Variable buttons, and you can also copy and paste from a table of your choice. Make sure to provide a name and save the data table, and it'll be ready for use. To associate a new test with an existing data table, create a new test from either the main dashboard page or through the New button. Then select Show Advanced Options and scroll to the Data Tables section. Then choose one or more data tables from the list of existing data tables and select the specific data table you'd like to train with. Then click the Create Test button to start training. To associate existing tests and data tables, navigate to the test you wish to associate with a data table and click on the Update Info button. In the modal, select a data table for the test in the Data Tables dropdown. Click the Save button at the bottom of the modal, and you're all set. Finally, let's review running tests with a data table. You can run a test with all the scenarios in a data table from two places. In the Tests page, click the Run Test button, select a cloud run, then toggle the Run Data Table Scenarios and click Start. You can also navigate to the Plans page and click Run Plan to run all data tables associated with the test. From here, you can review the variable value used during the cloud run through the Results page.